It's a very common question I get from adults. By the way, I never get it from children. And one of the reasons why I mention children right now is because all of us, anybody listening, by the way, that wasn't a child at one time, all of us, when we were 4 years old, we were these little machines, these 100% focused, driven, I want. And somewhere in your learning process, that kind of got rounded off, those edges got sanded off. You went to first grade, got told, sit down, shut up, look like all the other kids, color in the lines, we'll give you a name, we'll call that success. Color within the lines, we'll call that success. That's not success. And when people say, isn't good good enough? Well, the real easy answer to that question is, what are you teaching your children? Or if you don't have children, what would you tell a loved one if they came to you and said, you know, Bill, I've got this place of power potentiality that seems to be a little scary, seems to be a little hard. You know, can I just stay stuck here? Isn't good enough? Would it be okay? Would you want your child to have that psychology? The neural laws of psychology say that if you have the content, the software, the psychology, by osmosis, your children have it too. So look at someone you love and see them stuck hopelessly, and of course not. Good is not good enough. We are here for far more. If you're watching this video, it means you are seeking more about life. When we look at life from the 50th percentile up to the 90th percentile, those are, by the way, above average people. But they still do psychology one way, tools one way, and they're more driven by pain and pain avoidance. When you look at the free video, and one of the reasons I made it free, Towards and Away, will be one of the most powerful theories and tools that changes your life. When you look at I want versus this is what I don't want. When you look at is good enough for those people? Hell no, you came here for far more. You have all the power, all the potentiality. You just learned somewhere in your past that somebody said, not you, not you. And I want to give back to you your desire. I want to give back to you your drive to care and to fight fiercely, to be who you came here to be. Above average, greatness, potentiality. What 4-year-old ever sits around and says, well, you know, a tricycle's probably good enough. But when you have a chapter 7, when you have a divorce, when you have something happens to you, and if you've lost your drive, if you've lost your authentic you, you just sit there and go, oh, chapter 7, I wasn't really meant to be that kind of a businessman or businesswoman. And I'm here to tell you, all 4-year-olds learn to ride two-wheelers. Get back in the saddle of life. Get back into this place, because at the end of the day, if I could promise you greatness, would you settle for good? Hell no. The only reason you do that is because either you don't believe me and that I can produce greatness, or you believe in me and go, oh, he looks successful to me. I just don't believe that I can do it. Whatever it means, whatever it takes to you to bust out of this rut, no, it is a killer of dreams. It's a killer of people that you love. Never, ever allow someone to say to you, you know, isn't good enough? Because I want you to fiercely remember this conversation and say, hell no. What I want for people that I love and care about is to find their dreams, find their passions. It's at the end of this technology. You can do this. Get in here, try the website, tell me what you think.